it's a blueberry crystal skull. It's the same. Okay, anyways, guys, today is a Christmas update. Look how beautiful it is. The snow to fall from the sky. Oh my god! And the castle is finally open. And look at the snowman. I love snowman. Okay, guys.
So what we gonna do?
We are going to be trying to giving each other present, and also I am going to talking about the update.
Oh my god, okay.
Okay, so let's talk about the update. So actually everything has changed. We can skiing. Also, you can play of 2 mini games. The 2 of the mini game is the skating and getting a gingerbread cookie mini game, and the last one is the Feed the Furry mini game. So let me teach you how to play. You can skiing and get the gingerbread, and be careful for the penguin.
Oh my god, look at my snowman.
Yeah, and also guys, be careful for the penguin, because penguin is mean to us because we push them and doesn't watch where you're going. Oh my god.
Look,
Outside.
Oh my god.
Why would you do that? I'm telling my mom. Oh my god, he's going to be telling her mom. I don't know. Also, and do you guys want to know how to get a free gingerbread cookies? You have to bowl around 5 snowmen, so you can get around 300 free gingerbread cookies. And also, you guys can try to searching some person to get this new toys. Yeah, this snowball launcher. Oh my god, you can it's so funny, guys. Okay, Stella, Jessica, come here. We have to get going to. Oh my god, the game has started. Yeah, we have to get gingerbread. Woo! Here, you guys. Oh wait. We have to doing a race with the Speedy the penguin. It's a gold penguin. You have to talk to him, and you can race as much you want. Okay, the time they trying to put in time for us. Ouch! Mr. Penguin, I'm so sorry to push you.
Why would you do that? I'm telling my mom now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to hug you. Yeah, who want to hug you, Penguiny?
Either.
Either.
I don't even know.
Yeah. My snowman just trying to jump and come for me. I know that he's still tired to walk my back.
Come on, why they brought you penguin? Who let the penguin out? Who?
So we play like this, and after you get all the gingerbread cookies, is around 160 gingerbread cookies, guys.
I'm trying to skate to get the gingerbread right here.
Yeah. The gingerbread cookies are so adorable, super duper dicker.
It's so tasty.
Yes, it's so yummy. And now, do you guys want to know why we have to get it? Cause yeah, we have to buy a pet. Stella? Stella? Okay, so we done the game, and it's time to see what in the castle. You guys know that the gate is finally open, and the first free is cost Robux, but it's kind of sadly that who doesn't have a Robux, but it's okay. We don't have Robux. Let's go. Siska, we have to go and see how many pets we have. I mean, the new pet. We have to see the new pet is coming. Come on, let's go. Crush it. Oof. Oh my god.
My snow puma like that.
Okay, oh my god, are you guys ready to get in here? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my, oh, how beautiful it is. Look how much blue it is. I love blue. Oh my god.
A mirror of the sky. And we
Yeah.
have the wind at the top.
So we have a new toys and also the new accessory that coming out. And the snowman, it costs 2,000.
Interesting.
Yeah. The Yeti is,
And we also have some bears. Ice cream. We have some ice cream wrap.
yep,
Ice cream.
yep,
And ice earrings.
yep.
So yeah.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
they already get one pet already because I gave her it and gave me the put her back.
Yeah, Yeti. Do you know Yeti just punched me?
Oh.
You see? That's why my face is. But Yeti is so beautiful. Also, the lens. I don't know what kind of this purpose. It's look.
So I have a question.
Scary.
How did Strawberry get so small?
I don't know. And the very very beautiful snow oil. I'm waiting for long still snow oil. And also the musk ox. The best pet, the Roseberry, my new dream pet. If you guys knowing that I already have this Mega First Dragon, but now I am dreaming with this Roseberry Dragon. Oh my god. I want it. And it's sadly that it's not in game forever like Care Bears. Is yeah, it's 800 Robux and it's going to be far away when 34 days up. It's so sad. But anyways, can we just talk about the mini game instead though? The mini games are so really fun that it's coming new to Inazami. Like you have to get all the gingerbread by skating. Also the fifth Frostberry, it means that you have to take a fire and you have to, yeah, you try to get a food for them. And also you have to have snowman to pull back around 5. You can get a free 300 gingerbread cookies. Okay, well, it's time for our present. Do you have any present for me? Me?
I do.
Yay! So trade. Wait. Can I go to get first?
Okay.
You can go to get too. So
Okay.
the present you have to give me is around 4. I'm going to give you 4 back.
Okay, so I'm going to give you something that you already have at. You can get it again, right?
Yeah, sure you can. My money.
My money is kind of low, so I have to go to my house to get more.
Oh. Also, you can give me pet if you're low money. Okay, let's go. Let's trade.
Wait, I didn't get anything yet.
Do you believe that the Santa Claus is real?
I have to get something first, but I got you something.
Do you think that the Santa Claus is real?
I don't know. I hope so. I'm gonna keep you.
2 more.
One more, okay. I'm gonna.
Ah! I love your cat so much.
Wait. Can you decline? Can you get out the massive gift and one small gift because I want you to put 2 bandicoots.
Oh, Bandicoot? I don't know about wait. Oh, sadly that
2 bandicoots.
I only have 1 Bandicoot,
Oh,
but I have a lot of dogs.
okay, give me 2 then.
The cutest dog in the world.
Okay.
Okay, oh my god. Thank you. gift, just the cat didn't talk. But it was really, really nice Christmas too. Yeah. Oh my god, the Frofur is hungry. It's time for playing the Frofur game. Okay guys, oh my god, sorry guys because I was AFK. Oh my god, the Frofur is just eating all the food. What are you going to say? This boy wants to stay full forever, help me fill it up later. Well, fine for you. And you're giving me some cookies gingerbread around 10,000. I'm going to be thinking about it. Just kidding guys. Okay guys, so what do you guys think of our video today? If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to click the subscribe button, the bell thing. And also don't forget that hit the like button is important too guys. And what do you guys want me to play the game next? So make sure to comment section down below. So I will going to be follow or if I can play it. So just God, you have something to talk about the Christmas?
I guess this one is very cool. I hope it lasts long. I mean, last time the Christmas is not very lasting.
Yeah. But last Christmas is kinda good too, but this Christmas is very, very more. I love the snowman. Oh my god, look at the hand. Yeah. So guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! And thank you guys so much for watch our video. And don't forget to go to subscribe to Stella Gamer Girl. Yeah, it's my friend new channel. So I think she's going to be upload the new videos with me and with Jessica. So make sure to click the subscribe button to her channel and also my channel too. Thank you guys so much. So see you guys in the next video. Bye! Jessica, say bye. Yeah. Snowman. Woo!